Welcome to this step-by-step guide on using an angle grinder. An angle grinder is a versatile tool for cutting, grinding, and polishing metal, stone, tile, and concrete, ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Components of an angle grinder. Spindle lock, locks place. Air vent, circulates air to cool the motor. Cord powers the angle grinder. Geared head contains the motor and gears. Disc, grinding wheel attached to the spindle. Air inlet allows cooling air into the motor. Switch, trigger for turning the grinder on-off. Guard, metal shield for user protection. Side handle, secondary grip point. Comparison with traditional tool. Traditional methods are labor-intensive and imprecise, whereas angle grinders offer versatile and efficient cutting, grinding, and polishing in one tool. Safety precautions to followed. Safety glasses. Safety gloves. Ear protection. Safety shoes. Inspect the blade. Maintain safe distance. Power off and unplug the machine after use. How to use the tool. Select the wheel from options like cut-off, flap, diamond cut, concrete grinding, or polishing wheels. Attach the wheel or disc. Position the angle grinder on the surface. Hold the angle grinder with both hands. And apply gentle pressure while moving the grinder. Maintain a firm grip throughout the operation. After use, turn off and unplug the grinder. Wait for the grinder to completely stop before setting it down. Maintenance tips. Clean up after use. Inspect the disc before use. Store it safely in a dry place. Consult the manufacturer's instructions for maintenance. Thank you.